Hello, myself Deepak, and welcome back to our session in which till now we have seen how we can add a record or search a record using Excel VBA form. Now, in this, we'll see how we can delete a record. Now, what we have done, we have created one button, delete, in this form. Let's double click. Now, if you see the coding under delete button from here till here, it's same as what we have done in search button. Basically, see, if you want to delete a particular record, then of course you have to first search that record, and if that record exists, then delete that record. Okay, so here we have using the same concept of search. So now how that this code works, like what is the use of this find method, how many arguments you have under find methods, which argument is mandatory, which argument is used for which purpose. If you want to know all those things, please see my video of search in which I've explained all those things in detail. And I've kept that link in description for your reference. Please have a look. Now, here, what we are doing when this button is clicked, first this line will execute. In this if condition, we are checking if that field, if this contains nothing, and this we are checking with the help of these two things, like if the length is 0, or if this is blank, or if it is having a character, then show this message. Okay, else what we are doing, if a proper number is entered, then with help of this we are finding whether that value, whatever you entered in that text box, exist in this or not. If it is not exist, means this will contains nothing. Okay, now if this is nothing, then show this message. Else, if this contains something, means the record found, then this else part will be execute. And here what we are doing, we have assigned a variable. Okay, and we are assigning a value in it. What value? The row number. Basically what we are saying with the help of this code, where we are saying employee code. Okay, employee code dot row. With the help of dot row method, you are getting the row number where you have the data under this column. Okay, now after getting the row number, what you are saying, rows of this. Now whatever the value you have this in this, and with the help of delete method, you're deleting that particular row. Now let's take a run. Now first you have entered nothing, you click on delete, you get this message. You enter a character, you enter, you get this message. Basically, you this message was executed as of now. Now let's run again. Now in this column a, where you have employee code, you have employee code from 1 to 5. Now for example, here I entered 6 and I click on delete. You get record not found. Why? Because now this, when this method execute and you entered a value which is not there, so this will be nothing. That's why this if condition becomes true and you get this message. Fine. Now let's put, say for example, we have employed 5. Yes, I entered 5 here and I click on delete. So now you see that record is deleted. Why? Because now just remember, the employee code 5 is here and the row number is 6. Okay, so now go to back to the coding. Now this condition execute because this has something. Now what we are saying here, we are assigning a value in this variable. Which value? We are saying employee code dot row. Now with the help of dot row method, you are getting the row number and assigning that row number to this variable. Now if you have seen in the employee code 5, when we have 5 here, the row number is what? The row was 6 at that time. Okay, so this will contains 6. Okay, because of this code. Now then we are saying rows of bracket में we have assigned this variable. Now the value of this variable is what? 6. So it will be something like that. So rows of 6, and with the help of dot delete method, you are deleting that particular row. So that's why that row was deleted. Okay. And then you're saying whatever is entered in that text box, clear that text box. Fine. So I hope this clears to you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.